Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and look what came in today. The Tim Holtz travel stamp platform. This is a small one, and it comes in this nice package. It's really hard chipboard on the outside of it. There's the little platform. He also sends a book, new from 2018, and it's got all kinds of goodies in there, so you can glance through and see if there's anything else that you want. And I see tons of things in here I want. But anyway, this is the large one right here. That's how big that one is. So this is the one that I have been using for a while now. I absolutely love it. Then this is the travel one. And it is, I know somebody's going to ask, so I'm going to go ahead and measure it. He probably has the measurements on the box, but we're going to measure it. It is 9 inches overall this way, and then 7 3/4 this way. So it's not very big at all. It's not, I mean, it's heavy enough, it's sturdy, it's made just like the other one, but it's not so big that you couldn't carry this to crops and things where you need a good stamp platform. Now, it does have the non-skid bottom on there, just like the other one. This comes off. You've got one side that says rubber, and then you've got one side that says clear. That's, let's see, that's the rubber and that's the clear for the stamps. You put it in by standing it straight up, and then it just slides down in there, and it won't go anywhere once it slides down in. Alright, this one also has the black ruler tape here with the white letters, so it's pretty easy to see. I'll hold it up so that you can see it. There we go. And then you've got your 2 magnets, and they're the same size magnets as on that one. Now, I would suggest when you get yours to go ahead and put some washi tape or something on your magnets, because these magnets are strong, but if they clap together, if you pick them both up in one hand and they snap together, they will break. They will chip off. So I just put a piece of washi tape on both of mine. They still stick just as good, but yet you don't have that snapping together and them breaking. Now this one does have the groove right here, and then right here where you can slide your paper up against it. Let me get a piece of paper. So see, got a good corner here. But then I can let this paper hang off if I want to, just like on the big one. That's the only problem I had with all the other stamp platforms. If I needed to stamp on a big piece of paper, I couldn't without it bending my paper, because they had the ridge all the way around. So this one, you can, like if I wanted to stamp on this and have this paper the full 12 inches, I could stamp here, or I could stamp in the center, or I could turn it around and stamp on this side, or I could turn it and stamp here. Let it hang off this way. So it's a larger area to stamp with, even though the stamp platform is smaller. I can put my stamp here and stamp up here if I want to. Just depends. It does have the grids on the top where that you can see if you're getting it straight or not. This is a thick plastic. It will not bend. It will not warp. You can't even force it to bend. You can clean this with just about any kind of cleaner. It's not a specific. I use just some soap and water to clean mine off when it gets something on it. And if it just gets some ink on it when I'm stamping, I just use a baby wipe and wipe it right off. But that is the stamp platform, and this is the travel stamp platform from Tim Holtz. It comes in this nice box. We did get some of these in today. We have another shipment of these that's coming, but we've got a few of these in. We've gone ahead and shipped out everybody that had pre-orders on these already today. So if you want one of these, you better go over and grab it really quick, because I've got a feeling that they're not going to last too long. Everybody has been wanting these. So, and I will tell you, like I said, this one is made, I'm not going to stamp with this one because it is made just exactly like the large one is. It's just in a smaller scale. But I will tell you that I have used all of the other stamp platforms that's out there. I have used the Misty, I have used the, whatever this one is, the Stamp Perfect by Hampton Arts. I've used that one. I have used all of them. And I'm not saying this just because this is the one we carry right now, because I've sold those as well in the store. I love this one. I like the way the top is so heavy that you don't have to do compressions on there in order to get a good stamped image. I like that you can use rubber or the clear on here by just turning this top around. You don't have to put anything on here and take it off. I like that you can wipe the surface with whatever you want. Even if you want to use some Windex on here, you can, and it's not going to hurt it. It's not going to wipe these off because they're embedded in there. So I'm telling you this truthfully. Like I said, not just because this is what we carry. This is some absolute truth. If I didn't like it, I would tell you I didn't like it. I didn't like the Hampton Art ones. I sold them. I sold quite a few of them. They were cheap, but they were also cheap made. I didn't like it. A lot of people are still using it, and that's fine if it works for you. I didn't like how the top wiggled a little bit. But anyway, just wanted to let you know that we got these in. So if you want one, go over and grab it in a hurry, because I got a feeling they're not going to last too long. And our next shipment is not supposed to be here for another couple of weeks. So we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and hit that little bell when it pops up so that you'll know when we put up new videos. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.